YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about the GOAT app, the truth about buying sneakers from the GOAT app. And if you get an overseas order, are they real? What happens? How long does this entire process take? Let's get into it. So, I did buy a pair of sneakers from the GOAT app. Let's get straight into this. This is a pair of sneakers that did come from overseas. These came internationally to me. I am in the United States, here in New Jersey, and these came to me from, I want to say, Germany or some overseas country, maybe Europe somewhere. I'm not sure exactly. I'd have to check the tracking again to really let you guys know specifically, but it was certainly overseas and from GOAT. And why was this overseas? Because this sneaker had a restock overseas, which made the price plummet, drop. They tanked. They went from $500 to $600. They're down to like $200. It's absolutely wild what has happened to the price of this sneaker, and it made me pull the trigger because the price dropped. I wanted this shoe. I just did not want to spend that $500-$600. I'll spend the $250 that I spent on these though. Absolutely, because I have no chance of getting Nike SBs for retail, especially when it's overseas. This is an overseas only restock. So GOAT it was. GOAT it was. GOAT it was. Size 11. Size 11. We have the purple Nike SB box. Let's take a look. Ooh, so right here we do have the GOAT little card that you do get with the little QR code. They did switch this up from previous years, but right here we do have the tissue paper, and ooh, we have the Chicago SB Nike Dunk Lows. These are fire. These are an SB. I love SBs, the fat tongue. If this was a regular Nike Dunk, I wouldn't care. This right here is an SB, so I care. I prefer Nike SBs over regular Dunks all day, every day. Let me know down below in the comments. Pick one, Nike SB Dunk Lows or Nike Dunk Lows, just in general. For me, SB, fat tongue is where it's at. Just better quality. Yeah, the leather is nice. These are just better than regular Nike Dunks. So these are clean. These go hard. Like I said, international restock of why I had to go on GOAT. So let me check my order. I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys how long it actually took to get these in. It was not long. It was not bad at all. So I placed the order on May the 2nd, and let's see when these arrived. I'm going to check the tracking right now, and these arrived to me on the 13th. So 11 days international. I'll take it. That's actually pretty solid. Not bad at all. And these came from Southall MIGB. I'm not even sure what that is. If you are in Southall MIGB, let me know, please. I'm not sure exactly what country that is. GB, I'm not sure. Southall MIGB. I'm not sure. If you guys can let me know where that is down below in the comments, that would be awesome. But that is an international order. So guys, don't worry. Just because your shoes are coming from internationally on GOAT or StockX or any platform, it doesn't mean that they're reps. No. Real shoes are made overseas. Keep that in mind. So of course, international countries will receive, of course, real product as well. Of course, a lot of fakes, but of course, a lot of real product as well. Nike is a global company at the end of the day. So yes, right here, good to go. Nike SB Dunk Lows. Listen, guys, the truth about buying from GOAT is if they send you an international order, just check it. Just check it. Make sure that they're real. Make sure everything looks good and how it should. Do the smell test. Yep, these smell exactly how they should. So I'm satisfied. I'm pleased. And I must say, the Nike SB Dunk Low Chicago is fire, straight fire. Thank you, GOAT app, for this easy process on getting an international pair of sneakers. I say international because that's where this restock happened. This is also production dates. Yeah, this is a 2024 pair. So it started in November of 2023 and ended in January of 2024. That's how you know it's the new pair, and new pairs were only restocked internationally. That's why prices have dropped. So guys, keep that in mind. If you guys are looking for these, prices have dropped. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the GOAT app. Let me know your most recent experience buying from GOAT. This is mine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.